Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to do the ask me anything on the Instagram. So if you want to do the ask me anything on the Instagram, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram mobile application. You have to click on the your story from the left top and click on the camera from here. Now you can click a picture or you can simply upload from your gallery. Once you will done that, now you have to click on the stickers here. Okay, once you will do it, here you will see different options. So you have to click on this question button and right here you have to write your question you want to ask from your audience. And once you will do it, after that you have to click on the done and you have to share it from here. Once you will do it, in this way you can ask me anything on the Instagram. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.